So hey guys, this is Anand here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my initial impressions for the Asus Zenfone 6Z. Check out my complete review on techarbo.com, link is in the description box below. And starting off with the USP of this device, panorama mode, and Asus has literally nailed it this time. Their panorama processing is super good and you can view it in VR too. Basically, the experience of shooting panorama using this phone is on another level. Talking about the sensor, it comes with a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 and another 13 megapixel wide angle lens for 125 degree wide field of view. Even in indoor conditions, the camera doesn't struggle at all. Although there were focus hunting issues, but I believe that it can be resolved with an OTA update. As of now, flip camera technology is obviously unique and durable too. I tried pulling it out tightly quite a few times, but still the motor was working completely fine. Jerry Rig Everything too has said that it is durable enough. And yes, it is quick, but again there will be a delay in face unlock as it won't be as fast as a OnePlus 7. Usually phones with such mechanism have slow face unlock. But still it's good, and Asus claims it to last 2 years if you are gonna use it 70 times every day, which is a little bit less I guess, but don't use it for the face unlock and it should be fine. Apart from all, Asus has aimed for stock-like experience this time with the Asus Zen UI 4.0, which is super smooth and looks good thanks to its powerful processor and display as well. Though it is an IPS LCD display, still it is a high quality one and you won't face any issue regarding such. Coming to looks, the phone does look a lot premium and durable undoubtedly, but the back panel is fingerprint magnet, so it is suggested to use it with a cover or a skin to prevent fingerprint smudges. Asus too has provided a transparent case in the box, which is highly recommended from my side. Now there is a notification LED on the front of the display, which is a big deal for a completely bezel-less smartphone, and I completely appreciate Asus for that. Camera 2 API is enabled out of the box. Moreover, Asus has already sent out the 6Z to developers so that you can expect great Gcam development. For more detailed specifications and review, check out the link in the description box below. So that's it for now. I hope that you like this video. This is Anil signing off. Have a great day.